Okay, what's going on YouTube? You already know what it is, Boogeyman 45, aka Marty. And for those who actually watch the video, this is a response video to what's her name, Seven Libra Green, because she responded to my little BET rant. I like how you started with the direct shots and how I'm not gonna beat shit and Kevin Hart is funnier than me and I can't be famous without you. But I mean, I'm gonna just ask you a question. If you watch, I know you watching. I'm gonna ask you a question. Who was there when you needed help with your little rinky dink iCarly TV show, huh? Who came through and be the only guy that was on your show, huh? Huh? Was that me? Was that me? Yeah, that was me. Yeah, I came through and I did your little show. You had me dancing and stuff, and your peoples came in there and beat me up. They hit me very hard in places I'd rather not talk about right now. I say that for another video. The fact that you said that I can't be nothing without you is just straight up ridiculous. It's preposterous. It makes no sense. You know. You're funny. I'm not going. I'm saying I'm not going to knock you. You are funny. You are a funny individual. You're very talented. But yeah, I mean, let's face it, okay? Seriously, let's face it, okay? You'll never be me, okay? I am one of the most underrated, undiscovered talents out there, you know. And for you to just call me out on a record when you don't even have one, when you're not even consistent with your videos, Seven. You're not consistent with your videos, Seven. You only have two videos up on your page. Okay, my Billy Tyson video got over 600 likes and or views and comments. Okay, so check yourself. Don't try to call me on a record where you don't have one. Okay, you out here with the big dogs now. You gonna get hurt. Okay, your feels gonna get hurt. You mean that's the response at that at Seven Leaving Green. Oh, and by the way, she was on the phone the whole time I did this. So you know what I'm saying? Pow.